Nestled at the foot of the Swiss Alps and bordered by the serene Lake Lucerne, the enchanting city of Lucerne captures the hearts of travelers with its blend of natural beauty, historical charm, and cultural allure. As you step onto the Kapellbrücke, the iconic covered wooden bridge adorned with flower boxes, you'll find yourself transported into a world where medieval architecture meets modern sophistication. Lucerne's most famous landmark, the Kapellbrücke, leads to the water tower and forms a postcard-perfect scene against the backdrop of the sparkling lake and the surrounding mountains. The Museegmauer, a well-preserved medieval wall, offers panoramic views of the city and its surroundings from its towers. The Lion Monument, a poignant sculpture carved into a sandstone rock, commemorates Swiss guards who died during the French Revolution. The nearby Glacier Garden is a geological wonder, with glacial potholes and ancient fossils that provide insights into the Earth's history. Lake Lucerne itself is a gem, offering boat cruises that provide stunning views of the surrounding landscapes and access to attractions such as Mount Pilatus and Mount Rigi. A ride on the world's steepest cogwheel railway to Pilatus or the historic cogwheel train to Rigi promises breathtaking vistas and memorable experiences. The cable car to Mount Titlis offers opportunities for snow adventures, including skiing and snowboarding year-round. Lucerne is a cultural hub, boasting numerous art galleries, museums, and theaters. The Richard Wagner Museum, housed in a villa overlooking the lake, pays homage to the renowned composer. The Swiss Transport Museum is an interactive treasure trove that showcases the country's history of transportation. For shopping enthusiasts, the Old Town offers a blend of boutiques, watch shops, and Swiss souvenir stores. The KKL Lucerne, a modern architectural masterpiece, is a cultural center that hosts concerts, exhibitions, and events. Culinary delights await at local eateries, from cozy cafes serving Swiss chocolate to lakeside restaurants offering fresh seafood and traditional Swiss cuisine. The Old Rathaus Brauerei provides a taste of local beers and a glimpse into Lucerne's brewing history. The city's location makes it an ideal gateway to the Alps, providing ample opportunities for hiking, skiing, and outdoor exploration. Accommodations in Lucerne range from luxury hotels to charming guesthouses, many of which offer breathtaking views of the lake and mountains. A visit to Lucerne invites you to immerse yourself in a world where history and nature harmoniously converge, where the majestic mountains and serene lake provide a backdrop to timeless architecture and cultural treasures. Whether you're wandering through charming streets, taking in panoramic views, or immersing yourself in artistic and historical experiences, a journey to Lucerne promises an unforgettable and enriching adventure that captures the essence of Switzerland's scenic beauty and leaves an indelible mark on all who venture into its captivating embrace.